You're coding a space mission. Everything must go smoothly, but what if something malfunctions mid-flight? An error is like a system failure on your rocket. If you don't catch it, the mission crashes. Try as the code you hope works. Catch as your emergency response system. Stick around. I'll show you how finally saves your logs even in total failure. Sometimes, you want to raise an alert on purpose. That's where throw comes in. You can build custom alarms for specific parts of the ship. Finally is the post-flight checklist. It always runs, whether there's an error or not. Use try, catch in high-risk areas. API calls, dynamic user input, file operations. Don't overuse it. Errors are for the unexpected. If this helped your JavaScript mission launch smoothly, give it a like, drop rocket in the comments, and subscribe for more dev wisdom from orbit.